All right, welcome to Allison Hill. We are going to splitboard to the top of it. We wanted to do Steamboat, but they charge money to splitboard up, and I'm not a big fan of paying money to walk up a mountain. So came to Allison Hill, much smaller of a little skin, but we're staying in Steamboat this weekend. We're gonna have an incredible time staying at Brian's place. He has a rad rental at the Bronze Tree that's perfect for 2 couples, and we got a babysitter for the kids, so we're having like an adult weekend because Cody's got a girlfriend now, so it's like adults in Steamboat. I'm so excited. But this is our first activity. Walking up, where'd the mountain go? That was a interesting cloud that came. I think it's from the snowmaker, but we just wanted to work off our night last night. All right, they say start your uphill cold. I'm pretty cold right now, so let's get moving. And guys, I told you Cody didn't go anywhere. He's right here.
I'm still here. Still walking up hills.
Still walking up hills. Into the off-piste. Super punchy, yeah. It's kind of crazy, the town of Steamboat. It's like under that weird fog layer. It's like gorgeous everywhere else. There's Steamboat. We got off the ungroomed. We're on the corduroy. Okie dokie. We're at the top. We're contemplating going like further. You can go like out, like off resort, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna just rip the fresh groom and then head back to the condo, and then we're gonna go, me and you guys are gonna go rip the park at Steamboat. But for now, it's transition time.
The glimpse that you think you see ain't nothing that I'll ever be.
Snowboard.
'Cause the last I'll ever
All right, we're dropping in from the start gate. You ready, Cody? Okie dokie. Might have been one of the coldest runs of my life. Woo! I didn't put my clothes on purpose though. Oh, I was cold.
So cool.
All right, back to the condo. All right, leaving the Bronze Tree, heading to get some laps in the park. It's crazy, last year there was such a big snowstorm, I was able to hit one of these rails. I feel like we could snowboard down these stairs. You know, people say I'm not core enough. This is street snowboarding. This is the start of my street edit. Oh, should I do the rail?
Do it.
Because there's just that much snow. We're also here a little earlier this year, but it's nice. It's kind of dead right now in Steamboat. It's always nice kind of running around being like the only people in town. I like that feeling. I also love the feeling of waking up and looking out the sliding glass door and just seeing Steamboat, and you're just like so close to the mountain. I love that condo. Little rodeo terrain park. Let's see how this thing goes. Oh, the pressure on. By the way, if you're wondering how I'm filming any of this video, I'm using the Insta360 X4. It's by far the best camera for skiing and snowboarding. I got the mouthpiece mount, you get that POV. You can do head mount, kind of like that mouthpiece because I can like hold it out and talk to you guys and things like that. So it's super rad. I love this camera. I use it for the skinning too. Park's been fun. The creativeness of the features allowed me to like try different tricks and things and combos. I love linking certain tricks together.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
There we go. That was a fun one. Park is good. I really like how creative it is. Normally the speed's really bad in there, and the speed's like okay. The only feature that's not sliding super smooth is the Z-rail. They painted all the rails red, which is super sick. I always like when a park kind of changes it up. It makes me think of, ta-da! Stick shout out. We got Fernando with the Crazy Light sticker on the snowboard. Absolutely looking insane. Guys, if you want one of my Evolution stickers, we have so many colors and styles and versions for anybody's style out there. Even if you're a skier, we do have a ski version of all of our merch. If you guys snag it, just tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shouts in the vlogs like I just did. It also supports the dream. It's how I get to do stuff like this for a living. I also love seeing you guys rep it and getting to come up and say hi and thank you for supporting what I do. So it's super sick. So snag sticker, join the crew, and let's go hit this park. I'm really excited. A little park session. Here we go. I think this is the only park they have open right now. It's pretty early in the year. My wife and Susie are at the bottom, so let's go say what up to them real quick after this run. Ah, come on, man. Hello.
Oh, you're so wet.
Yeah, sorry.
How's it going?
Susie. Hey, baby. Hi, Susie. Oh, yeah.
Everybody
You didn't know.
is looking at us like, is that my dad?
That's me.
Is that my dad?
It's me.
Yes.
Hi, Susie.
Is
Hi,
that my
baby.
dad?
What's up, Susie? Ah. Best part about Clues, I got to say what up to the wife. Oh, we're back. Oh, come on. Oh. Look, my butt's so good on that one. Jesus. Oh, what happened? Sorry. Oh, I fell into the pipe. Alrighty then. I think that was a good little session at Steamboat. Super stoked with that little park this year. They definitely made it pretty good. I had that one fall on my butt. I'm not gonna lie, my butt hurts. But I got the cheek that I fell on has some permanent damage, and so when I fall on it, hurts a little extra harder than normal. My butt hurts so bad.
Is it? Did you fall on it?
I fell on the cheek that's got the rock butt cheek. You guys found a nice little spot here. All right, I'm all fancied up now. This is the condo that we're staying in, like the view from it. It's so fun to just watch people ride, and like at night, everything's like, I'll show you what it looks like at night. But yeah, Brian's condo, this is so nice to have the ski in, ski out aspect. But we are going to a fancy dinner tonight because once again, it's Cody and his girl, Bobby my girl. Bobby is my girl. Anyways, we're headed to a fancy dinner. What do you think, Susie? Some fancy dinner? Susie. All right, we had a killer night. We went to this like nice fancy restaurant, like 79 table or something it was called like that. Went to the Strawberry Hot Springs. Overall, we had a killer night in Steamboat, and now I gotta get my board out of the board locker. These things are actually kind of super nice. And we're gonna go get a little LDOH last day on hill, couple turns before we get out of here and go get the kiddos. Hoo-yah! Unlike yesterday, we're gonna actually go ride the mountain though. We're not gonna just hit up the terrain park. It's also another beautiful day in Steamboat. Dude, it's crazy. There's no one on these runs. Ooh, the moguls are icy. A selfie stick in the half pipe. This is weird. What's up?
Hey, what's going on?
How you guys doing? I wandered up this gondola because it's the one that's like closest to the apartment. I was like, let's go in it. Now I don't know what run I want to do. Those are some wild side hits. I found out where all the people are. They're on this run. This side hit looks so messed up. This zone right here is really fun with powder on a pow day. Looks like they opened it at some point in the year, but now coverage is a little thin. We need some snow here in Colorado. Terrain park's not built yet. That's a bummer. What's up? What's your name?
Theo,
Nice to meet you.
you met both my older brothers the other day.
Okay, heck yeah. What's your name? Oh, it's so sticky. We're playing the rail safe. We had the session yesterday. Don't need anything goofy to happen. But we still hit them even though we're not doing anything crazy because good practice. You know, repetition is everything. So I even just going mellow in this icy pipe. Still gonna go in it, still gonna go up and down the walls. Try to get as familiar as I can. Sadly, that was Chipmunk. We got to check out of the condo. It was so fun to get early laps though before having to check out. How rad is that? It's super easy when you're staying so close. Now we'll conclude our stay here in Steamboat. Nice little weekend getaway. It was incredible because not every time I get to do this. The thing that made it most incredible wasn't the riding this time, is the fact that I actually got to have my wife come out without the kiddos, and we got to have an adult weekend, which normally we don't get to do. Sadly, normally she doesn't get to come on all these incredible trips with me because of the children, and she's watching them. She's being a great mom, and to be able to come out and do this with her and have a great weekend and eating nice food, going into the village, all that type of stuff. It was really rad. Once again, we stayed at the Bronze Tree here in Steamboat. I'll have all the information for Brian's condo in the description. I love staying here. We love Steamboat. Not the craziest POW days like the last times we've stayed in Brian's condo, but absolutely insane. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Smash the like button, subscribe. With all that being said, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. YouTube really wants you to watch the video at the end of this one. It literally hand selected it for you.